everybody, this is Alpna Kale. I have a crafty venture called Feelings Hatke. You must be wondering why Feelings Hatke. As gifts are associated with feelings and I want to deliver different gifts for different people. And my feelings are associated with it and I want to add Hatke factor in every gift. So I chose this name. My goal is to deliver personal touch to every gift which can never be obtained in any gift shop. My creation includes cards, scrapbooks, invitations, paper boxes, flowers, boxes, nameplates, trays, and the list is long. You give me your requirement and Feelings Hatke is ready to help you with any of your gifting solution. So I'll take you to the tour of my creations. Please stick to the video till end so that you will not miss any of my creation. So let me start with wooden trays. These are wooden trays in different designs, and they can be customized in different designs and sizes, and the range starts from 750. Now this is a very beautiful ocean inspired trays. This is a raisin tray in circular shape. Now these are the coasters. The range starts from 500. These are the different designs. These are transparent serving trays, and I designed them from behind so that you can use them for your serving purpose. These are beautiful lanterns. You can use these lanterns as your centerpiece, or you can hang them in your gardens or outdoors, and these can be used for your candlelight dinner as well. There are so many different designs. These are giant paper flowers for your backdrops. These are different flowers. See, this is a 2 feet flower, and these are the paper flower rings. These rings can be customized for in any color. Now these are beautiful envelopes. These are very beautiful envelopes which you can never get in any of the gift shops. These are the envelopes I designed for males, as males always said that you don't have anything for us, so I designed specially for them. These are interactive envelopes which has an interactivity in every envelope, and these paper flowers are also handmade. Now these are the watch boxes or jewelry boxes which has 4 slots. We have different boxes for all of your purpose. We have 4 slot boxes, 5 slot boxes, 10 slot boxes, and if you want smaller boxes, we design those as well. This is a specially designed personalized box. Now these are very beautiful mixed media boxes. You can store your earrings or finger rings in these boxes. Now these are the passport covers which comes in so many designs, and if you want to give your special requirement, we can design according to that as well, and they can be personalized with your names as well. Now these are the keychains. The range of keychains starts with 100 rupees. If you are a tea lover, then you are going to love this product, as we designed these tea bag dispensers where you can put 25 tea bags at a time from top, and you can take one by one from bottom. We have different designs in these tea bag dispensers. This is a pad dispensers. Now you don't have to hide your pads in your cupboards. We designed these pad dispensers to keep your pads organized. Now these are the personalized diaries with sticky notes, and we have so many designs in these as well. Any of our product can be customized with the photos or names or any of your requirement. Now I am going to show you a very special product which are scrapbooks. As you all know, we design beautiful scrapbooks for different occasions. It can be a baby scrapbook, birthday scrapbook, anniversary scrapbook, or any of your scrapbook. We have so many designs, so just give your requirements and we'll make a beautiful scrapbook for you which you can cherish for your lifetime. This is a beautiful baby album where you can put more than 200 pictures. Now this is a desk organizer. Again, there are so many designs in this. Now these are the signboards. This is a key holder with cute Ganpati, and this is upcycled brush holder. Now these are the paper boxes. You can fill candies, cookies, chocolates, or whatever you want. We accept bulk orders for paper boxes, envelopes. We also design beautiful paintings for your walls. These are different mixed media paintings. Thank you so much all for being patient. You can follow us on Insta and Facebook at Feelings Hatke, and if you want to buy any of our products, you can buy from our site at www.feelingshatke.com, or you can DM us on 9892797997. I would like to thank Gauri Joshi and Tilotma Chogle ma'am for giving us this opportunity to showcase our products. Thank you so much.